Hello everyone, I am excited to show you our newest feature, birthday campaigns from Whautomate platform. It's one of the widely requested feature by many of our customers. We have listened to their feedback and we built that onto our platform today. Sending a special message to someone is a great way to show that you care and value their relationship. It's also a great opportunity to build a stronger connection with your customers. In this tutorial, we will look at how you can create and schedule personalized campaigns that can be sent to your customers on their birthday. Let's dive into the tutorial. Once you log into Whautomate platform, go into Automations menu option and click on Add Rule and filter the templates by clicking on the client, and you will see a template called Automate Birthday Wishes Campaign. Click on Install on that campaign. Let's take a minute to understand this automation rule. So this rule has got to trigger happy birthday automation. Behind the scenes, this rule actually runs every day, scanning your clients to see if anyone has got birthday as tomorrow. The reason why we scan for tomorrow's date is that we are able to schedule messages to be sent based on your scheduling preferences on each of the message actions as such. So the category is customer experience. By default, the rule will be disabled because we want you to take some action in completing the rule installation as such. As you can see here, we've got the wait time as 1 day. The reason why we've got the wait time is, as I explained, the rule runs every day, scanning for clients that have birthdays tomorrow or the following day. So the wait time of 1 day actually gives you enough scheduling option. And you have also got a schedule time. This is the time when you want the message to be delivered. By default, the rule will actually set it as 9 a.m. depending on whichever time zone you have installed your account. It will use that time zone to send that message as such at 9 a.m. based on your time zone. And here we've got message template. This is where we need your action. If you do not have a birthday template, message template created and approved by Meta yet, you can click on create new template to create a new template. And once it's approved, you can come back to this rule and search for that particular template. Since I've already got a template created and got it approved by Meta, I'm just going to use that template. So in my message, I have a personalization variable. So I'm just going to use the hash to use one of the personalization variable to personalize the message being sent to my customer as such. I'm going to use client.name, and I have a file as well that I need to upload. I'm going to upload an image to make the message look a bit more interactive when it's sent to the customer. I've got this happy birthday message, happy birthday image. I'm just going to use that. I'm happy with that. And we've also got one more option, which is to send an email. Obviously, if you wish to also send an email to your customer, go ahead and do that. If you do not want the email to be sent as part of the automation, you can use the delete icon to delete that as well. I'm going to type and use a personalization variable as well, and I'm just going to use my brand name just for the customer to know the subject so they can open it. Okay, now that I've typed in the subject, I need to type the body of the email. So I'm just gonna type this .name, and I've got a message that I've kept ready. So I'm just gonna use this. Once I'm happy with all the details, I'm just gonna review it one more time. So the rule is going to get triggered every day, looking for customers that have birthday as tomorrow. And I am sending a WhatsApp template message, and I'm also sending an email, both of them at 9 a.m. as such. And you can always alter and change these details depending on your business preference. And we also have conditions. If you want to filter customers based on their tags as such, obviously you can filter that. But for my instance, I want to send it to all my clients that are in my account as such. So I'm not going to use that option for this demo. Once I'm happy with that, I am going to click on save. Since the rule was disabled, it's asking me whether I want to publish the rule. Obviously, if I'm happy with all the details, I want to publish the rule, so I'm going to click on publish. And if you're not happy with that, you want to wait for it, you can always click on skip, so that the rule is disabled and doesn't get executed. Now that we have set up the automation rule, this will run at 12 a.m. every day, looking for clients that have the birthdays the following day and schedule messages based on the scheduling preference that we have set up. Let's wait and see whether we are getting a message. For the purpose of this demo, I had to update the backend to be able to show you guys what the message will look like. And I've received the happy birthday message as expected. And when you set up a campaign like this, your customers will also receive messages like this based on your scheduling preference and based on your message template as well. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, subscribe our channel. We will be uploading a lot of tutorial videos about WhatsApp automation and customer engagement. And if you'd like to sign up for a free trial, the link is in the description. You can sign up and we will help you onboard onto our platform as such. Thank you.